Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. First one, select this website and let's go to solo. And let's press P, move it down and make new pattern keyframe, go to 10 keyframe. And let's move it up. Again, go to 10 keyframe, move it down. Go to again 10 keyframe, move it up. Again, go to 10 keyframe, move it down. And finally, go to 10 keyframe, move it up. So, for go to 10 keyframe, we have two ways. For shortcut, you can use hold shift press page down in the keyboard or click here and write +10 and click OK. Nice. So select keyframes and make easies. Let's see. Okay, let's right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation, change auto bezier to linear. Click OK. Let's see. Nice. So let's select this website and hold shift press S. Click this icon and go to here. Let's go to first second and change scale like this and like this. Make new scale keyframe, go to here. Let's change like this. Let's change this 100. Let's see. Okay, and go to here. Change this 110 and go to here, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. And select this website, hold shift press R, go to here and make rotation keyframe, change 25 or change 90 and go to here, change -25 and go to here, change 10 and go to here, change -5 and here change 0. Select rotation keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's unsolo website and select this product 1, 2, 3 and let's link to website. Okay, let's move to here like this. And select this website, press R, go to last keyframe. Let's try change rotation like this. So select this mouse and let's move it down. And in this time, let's select this product 1 and let's press S, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, change 110. Go to 10 keyframe, change 95. Again, go to 10 keyframe, change 105. Go to 10 keyframe finally and change 100. So there's more keyframes for bones animation. And let's make keyframes easies. And let's see. Nice. Select scale keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here. Select product 2, Ctrl V, and product 3, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, let's select product 2 and 3, press U for see keyframes. And in this time, let's select keyframes, move to left. And this move to left and this. For step-by-step animation. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Select keyframes, let's try move to left. Okay, enough. So in this time, let's select this mouse and let's press P, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframes and make new pattern keyframes. Go to here, go to 5 keyframes and let's move to here and change rotation like this. Let's select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, let's go to here and change like this. Let's change graph lines. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's make graph like this, and select this graph. Okay, back to keyframes and select keyframes. Let's try move to right for slow animation. Okay, and let's select keyframes, move to left, move to left again. Okay, and in this time, let's select this mouse and hold shift press S, make scale keyframe, and go to 6 keyframe. Let's click here, plus 6, click OK, and change scale 95. Let's see. Let's try change 75. And go to 6 keyframe again. Let's write here plus 6. And change 100. Select scale keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay. And let's select this product 2. Let's make scale keyframe and go to here. Change 80. And go to here, change 100. Let's see. Okay, select the scale keyframes. Let's move to right. Let's move to right again. Okay, let's hold Alt, move to right, and these keyframes. Nice. And after mouse click animation, make new position keyframe and new rotation keyframes. Go to here and move to right. And go to here. In this time, let's make smooth like this. Let's select keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's make smooth graph. Okay, we have problem with keyframes. Let's fix it. Select all passing keyframes and keyframe interpolation. Change current settings to linear. Click OK. Let's see. Nice. And let's go to here. Delete this keyframe. Okay, select these 2 keyframes. Go to graph editor, and let's make graph like this. Nice. And in this time, let's move to down. Okay, and go to here. Let's hold this pen tool. Select this convert vertex tool, and let's make smooth line. Nice. So click selection tool, and in this time, let's select this product tool, make scale keyframe, go to here, and let's change scale like this. And go to here, hold shift press P, make new position keyframe, and go to here. Let's move to down. Let's see. And make keyframes easies. Select scale keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's make smooth graph. Okay. Let's select these 2 passing keyframes and delete. Okay, select last keyframe, move to right. And select this product tool. Let's move to up here. And in this time, let's go to layer, new, and adjustment layer. Then change name blur, and go to FX presets, search effect Gaussian blur, select this Gaussian blur, and let's use for this adjustment layer. And let's try change blurriness like this. Okay, select this blur and move to behind product 2. Okay, and in this time, let's select blur, press T, change opacity 0, make opacity keyframe, and go to here, change blur 100. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. Okay, so in this time, select this product tool. Let's hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe. Go to here, change rotation 10 or change 8. And go to 5 keyframes, change -4. And go to here, change 2. And here, and change -1.5. And here, change 0. Select these rotation keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, let's select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Okay, select rotation keyframes, let's move to left. Okay, that's good. So let's see full animation. Let's close keyframe settings. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.